So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I got this slight simple beat going on. The highlight is popping, the wing is sharp, all that good stuff, but I ain't got no falsies on. So this is what that video is about. I want to introduce you guys to some new falsies that I'll be trying out. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, I've had this package for a couple of months now, but I reached out to her, told her, you know, I was in a funk. You guys know when I don't do my makeup for a long time and then all this other stuff going on, like I just don't feel like filming or none of that stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity since I'm not working and I have time to do what I need to do and get these videos out for you guys. But I did reach out to her and told her what was going on. She understand, but now I finally have some time to get this video out of the way and start promoting her lashes. Of course, I marked out my address, but it came in this package. The company is called T. Marie Beauty. I will leave all the information down below in the description box, but I follow her on Instagram and vice versa. And like I said, well, if I didn't say, she did reach out to me and asked me to try out some of her lashes. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Now, when I first got the package, I did post it on my Instagram story and show my followers the packaging and all that stuff, but I did tell T that I would do a YouTube video since I also have an audience on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how everything looks. So again, it did come in this bag through a USPS in this little pink bag, which is cute because pretty much her packaging is pink. Now, before I show you guys the lashes that she sent me, in the package, I got this a little paper, which it says, lashes speak louder than words. T. Marie Beauty, thank you for shopping with us. And then it says tmariebeauty.com, and also has the email. And then on the back, it says, we'd love to feature you. Tag us with their Instagram handle on there. So like I said, I will leave all that information down below in the description box. So along with that, she did give me a business card, which has all her information on there. She also has a YouTube, so I will link that down below as well. But here's how the business card look. It's really cute. And I love her logo. It is so cute. So all this information on the card will be down below. So in the package, I got a little keychain that basically has a logo on there again. And then it says tmariebeauty.com. Then she sent me a pair of her lash applicator, which is the tweezers, and like a little brush. I assume this is to brush your lashes before applying them. So I'm gonna show you guys the detail because both are really cute. So the lash applicator is pink, very cute. And again, she has her logo. I don't know if you guys can see. And then the little brush wand, the handle part is like glittery and clear, so it's really cute. I'm not going to use this today, but I am going to attempt to use the tweezers. And the main entertainment of the show, these are the lashes. This is the Glam Lash, which I did pick out. So here's how the packaging looks. It says T. Marie Beauty, and then you can see the lashes. And then here's how the lashes look. So before I apply the lashes, I will show you guys a closer look. So they are really pretty, a little wispy like I like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes. So this is the right one. So I'm gonna apply the right one first. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Duo Lash Glue. Of course, I didn't let it get very tacky because I'm impatient. But I'm just gonna set them right there for now. Let it dry a little bit. And then I will move them down. Alright, so these are how the lashes are looking. Just burped. These are how the lashes are looking. I really do like them. They're not too dramatic. They're not too simple. So yeah, they're real cute. So I recommend that you guys check out tmariebeauty.com. These lashes are really cute and I really think that y'all would love her lashes. So I do want to thank T. Marie for reaching out to me and sending me a pair of her lashes. I do plan on working with her again in the future and I really do appreciate her wanting to work with me as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys these gorgeous, simple, flirty, cute lashes and introduce you guys to a Black-owned small business and all that good stuff. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how you guys like these lashes. Okay, let me know down below in the comments. And if you have tried T. Marie Beauty's lashes, let me know down below as well. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.